Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, your warranty and service authorized repair center for the Enbio S. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the top cover. The door was removed in a previous video, however the door does not need to be removed to remove the top cover. The first thing we're going to do is flip this unit over on its back. I do not have anything plugged in the back. We are going to be using a T20 Torx and a T10 Torx. There are 5 T10 Torx. There is one screw on the top cover that takes a Torx 20. It is a larger head on the outside. When you remove this, you will notice that this screw is ribbed on the bottom side. After removing those 6 screws, we are going to roll this unit back over and slide the cover back. As we're sliding this back, if you grab on the inside and expand, it will assist in pulling the top cover off the unit. Any questions? Please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.